Servo turret versus power turret, two turrets, two different capabilities. Which one is right for your parts? When you're buying a CNC lathe, you'll see two common turret options, servo turret and power turret. At a glance, they look similar, but what they can do is very different. One is built for speed and precision turning. The other adds milling, drilling, and tapping in one setup. So which one should you choose? Let's break it down. A servo turret is driven by a servo motor. Its job is one thing: index tools quickly and lock them in place precisely. It holds only stationary turning tools. Turning, facing, grooving, threading. No rotating tools here. What makes it good? Fast indexing time, high positioning accuracy, and lower cost. And the design is simple, so maintenance is minimal. A power turret does everything a servo turret does, plus more. Inside, there's a motor and transmission system that drives rotary tools. That means you can mill, drill, and tap on the same machine without moving the part to another machine. Fewer setups mean less error and faster completion. If your parts need side holes, flats, or slots, power turret is the answer. Here's a simple comparison. Servo turret, fast indexing, high precision, lower cost, but only turning operations. Power turret, slower indexing, more complex, higher cost, but it adds milling, drilling, and tapping. If you only turn round parts, a servo turret is enough. If you need flats, keyways, or cross holes, you need a power turret. Here's a simple selection guide. Servo turret, choose this if you mainly produce shafts, sleeves, bushings, and threaded parts. Ideal for batch production of standard turning parts. Power turret, choose this if you work with complex aerospace, automotive, or hydraulic components. It turns your lathe into a multitasking machine. The right turret makes your CNC lathe work the way you need it to. Servo turret for speed and precision turning. Power turret for versatility and multi-process capability. At WMT CNC, we help you choose the right configuration for your parts, not upsell you on features you don't need.